Looking for the best mold test kits? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 mold test kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Moldarma Do-It-Yourself Mold Test Kit. Includes everything you need to swab your home to test for mold. Easy to use. Get results verified by a lab for specifics. An extremely affordable way to test for mold in your home, but keep in mind lab results are an extra cost. Lab testing does cost extra. Some buyers received kits without the mold medium. At number 2. Healthful Home 5-Minute Mold Test. Get results for 32 different mold types within 5 minutes. The kit includes a postage-paid mailer and swabs if you want to have your test result verified by a lab. Test kit provides results for many different kinds of mold, and you instantly get results and send for lab confirmation. The home results can be a little hard to read. Lab testing costs an additional $25. At number 1. DIY Mold Test Mold Inspection Network. Includes 3 tape lift sample slides that test for all mold types. The price includes testing at a lab with results. Company calls to follow up with all tests and answers any questions. Results arrive quickly. This kit offers multiple mold testing strips plus lab results for one reasonable price. Shipping your test strips to the lab is not included. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.